Hola, ¿cómo estás? Welcome back to the Touring Experience. Mi nombre es Alan, and it's an honor to be your Spanish teacher. This week we're doing something a little different. We want to show you your favorite Mexican dessert and to help you practice and improve your Spanish vocabulary. Don't worry if cooking is not your thing. This extremely delicious pay de limón does not require an oven and it's very easy to make. Vamos! Pay de limón con galletas Marías. Ingredientes: limones, 1,5 tazas de leche evaporada, 1 taza de leche condensada, galletas Marías. Maria cookies were invented in England in the late 1800s. But since they're versatile and inexpensive, they traveled the world and became extremely popular, especially in Spanish-speaking countries. Almost everyone in Mexico has a pack of galletas Marías at home. Receta: exprime los limones. Licúa la leche evaporada, la leche condensada y el jugo de limón. Coloca en el molde galletas más mezcla. Repite. Refrigera por 2 horas. ¿Cuál es tu postre favorito? What's your favorite dessert? Write it down in the comments below. And let us know if you have any questions regarding the topic and what you'd like to learn next. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget that we have a gift for you to help you get started in Spanish the right way and interact with the locals during your next trip abroad. To download it for free, just click the link in the description below. Our gift for you for being here. Subscribe to our channel for weekly Spanish lessons, travel videos and tips, cultural information, and more. Gracias y hasta la próxima semana.